Good afternoon, guys. It's actually late in the afternoon and I'm headed towards the Chiang Mai Old Town. Something exciting is going to happen there tonight. So I have been here in Thailand, Chiang Mai for the past 3 months. Since I arrived, it's been 3 months of non-stop rainy season. But now, Loi Krathong here in Thailand, which is today, actually marks the end of the rainy season. It is a festival when people send lotus-shaped floating boats down the waterways to pay respect to the water spirits. They also thank the water spirits for nourishing life for the whole rainy season. Loi Krathong actually falls on the full moon of the 12th month in the Thai lunar calendar. There will be 3 days of celebration from November the 7th to November the 9th, but the main day, the big day, is going to fall on the 8th. So basically Loi Krathong is the Thai New Year. But this year it also has another special layer of meaning because this will be the first year Loi Krathong happens post-COVID. The country has opened up, tourists are pouring in, travel ban has been lifted. I think we are gonna expect as exciting a Loi Krathong as pre-COVID pandemic. Towards the end of November, you'll see a lot of the households, restaurants and shops festooned with these colorful candy-shaped lanterns. They just wrap the city in a really nice festive atmosphere. They have also arranged a lot of these lanterns outside of the Taipei Gate, outside of the city wall. It's quite beautiful. A lot of people are taking photos underneath. But also in front of the Taipei Gate at 6 p.m. tonight, I think we're going to have an opening ceremony for Loi Krathong. We're going to see what that is all about. We have stood in front of the stage for about half an hour now. Nothing seems to be happening, so I've just gone inside the old city. Actually, they have a reception desk where they ask you to sign up for the event, and if you sign up, they actually give you some kind of a gift package. And inside we have a booklet, which is all in Thai. Some basic information about tonight's events, but it's all in Thai, so I can't understand what that is all about. They also gave us a bread, which looks pretty nice, and we're gonna try that out before we try any real food inside of the old city. Also, I don't want to leave Taipei Gate too far, because the events at the front stage may just happen at any time. I want to be able to get back when any exciting events kick started. I have a fruit juice. Let's try this out first. Pretty good. It's just there's too little of it. Chocolate and cream cake. Delicious. Since we are finished, I think we might as well go back to the stage and see if anything is happening here now. And if not, we're gonna explore the inside of the old city a little bit.
Ladies and gentlemen, as we're about to proceed to the official opening ceremony as our guest of honor, the Governor of Chiang Mai light the candle in order to start our event officially. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the official opening ceremony to welcome tourists around the world back to Chiang Mai.
Well, I guess that's it for the opening event. The fire show at the end for that moment is pretty amazing, but it's just one short moment. I'm not even sure if it's worth the long wait. After they announced at the end of the opening ceremony, the big crowd that gathered outside the Taipei Gate just dissipates, and a lot of the traffic just flows inside of the old city. But actually, inside of the old city is a lot less people compared to one of those usual Sunday night markets, because this is just the first day of Loi Krathong. I don't know if they'll release any lanterns or have any special ceremonies here. There doesn't seem to be too much activities inside. Maybe we'll have a better view when we come back tomorrow. As I was passing by the streets, I actually see a lot of the temples inside the old city, festooned with beautiful lanterns, but their gates were all shut. Excuse me, will the big events happen tomorrow? Not today, right?
Today, not really big. After tomorrow.
Tomorrow and the day after tomorrow?
Yeah, after tomorrow.
Okay.
Big parade.
Okay. Thank you so much. Hey guys, welcome back to day 2. We are back again in the Chiang Mai Old City, this time at the Three Kings Monument, just a little bit further in from the Champiwat Gate. There will be a candlelight ceremony tonight. On the side of each platform, on these lower benches, if you arrive early, you can get one of these pottery candle bowls and light up your own candle. Though if you arrive late and these are all taken, you can still get one at the vendors on the side of the square. The entire Three Kings Monument Square has become a sea with many islands of lights, and it's quite an emotional experience. Many of these people come as couples, they are hugging together, totally enjoying this experience. But let's explore the rest of the city and see what else this night is about. And most importantly, we'll get to explore the river bank of the Ping River and see the cretonne releasing there. We've also prepared our own cretonne, so look forward to that. We are almost outside of the city. Just ahead of us is the Tap Hay Gate, and honestly this is not nearly as many people as I thought there would be for today. Let's head to the Ping River and see what happens there.
You've got to repent. Don't grab Chiang Mai. Grab Chiang Mai, grab by half, Don't grab by half,
Well, I guess I found where the crowds are. So just outside the Tap Hay Gate, I'm on the way from the old city to the Ping River. There are so many people here. And just in front of me, there are, I think there's a long line of parade, all these decorated platforms, and all these people are slowly following at the rear of the parade. There are even 2 police cars slowly following us. And I think given what's recently happened in South Korea, I think this is all for the best. That there would be a really good spot to watch the parade. Following this crowd, I have made my way to the waterfront of the Ping River, where the side of the river is lined by vendors. They sell all different kinds of things: barbecue, dessert, drinks, and even cretonnes. They're in so many different colors, so many different styles, and they just put my own to shame. I was planning to get onto that bridge to film the parade, but tonight they are just so full of people. I guess let's try anyways and see if we can find a spot on the bridge. Now we have made it to the lower part of the riverfront. This place is packed with people coming here to release their cretonnes. We have brought here our own, and we're going to find a spot. If you have seen all those perfect photo shots in travel guides or tourism promotion videos of a river full of flowing lights of cretonnes, what you actually see here might depend on the weather. On a windy day, you might see a lot of these cretonnes have gone dark after their candles have been blown out by the wind. At first glance, they may even look like a bunch of waste floating on the surface of the river. But fortunately, these cretonnes are all made of biodegradable bamboo leaves. After a few days, they're going to disappear in the water. The bank on the other side of the river actually looks quite empty, and that's because they are all occupied by restaurants. If you have booked your place in those restaurants, you might just have your private space, and all the time you want to release your cretonnes, but that's not what we are going to do today. So instead, we're gonna just find a spot under this bridge. I guess it's time to show you my crouton. This one I picked up from a local supermarket, and I almost immediately regretted that after seeing what the street side vendors here along the river are offering. You know, very much fancier and more beautiful. Well, this one looks kind of plain. It's just in the shape of a flower. But the good thing about this one is it's actually made of bread. So in a quite literal sense, this is paying a tribute to the water spirits, because when this thing disintegrates down the river, the fishes downstream will get to pick up some of the breadcrumbs. I mean, it's a very good way to spend the Loi Krathong with the river life, sharing delicious food with them. So let us stick 3 incense sticks and 1 candle inside of this crouton.
And so I joined the thousands of people on the bank of the Ping River that night, making a prayer holding my little boat of light before releasing it into the water. As it left my hand, my heart tensed. I followed along the bank, watched as my boat got caught in a tangle of driftwood, but slowly broke free. The river was full of all kinds of boats. Many have gone dark. Some caught on fire and sank, and when I looked back for my boat, I realized that I lost it among the countless others. It is now off on its own journey.
Alright guys, that brings us to the end of this vlog during Loi Krathong in Chiang Mai. This year you don't see that massive release of sky lanterns anymore near the Chiang Mai Old City or near the Ping River. Those have been banned for the safety of the Chiang Mai International Airport, which is just within 10 kilometers of the Old City or of the Ping River. Anyways, this has been a really fun experience, and I highly recommend you come and see it for yourself next year. And if you have enjoyed this video, please leave me a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.